lines on railway station. The place from where passengers board the train is called the railway station. There is always a crowd of passengers at the railway station. Passengers start their journey from the railway station itself. Usually there are more than two platforms at a railway station. Tickets for traveling by train are taken from the railway station itself. There is a facility for parking the vehicles outside the railway station. There is a seating arrangement for passengers at the station which is called the waiting room. There is also railway police at the railway station which monitors any kind of criminal case. There is also a bridge built at the railway station to cross the railway line. There are facilities like chairs for sitting, fans for air and bathrooms at the station.